Okay, so what I'm gonna be doing is like I wanna show you on the trade recap of today. So as you know, guys, I took along already. Um, this right here was sell side liquidity. I want to see price take, and this right here was also sell side that I wanted to price take, and price did both of them. We had Let me delete this. If you go on a 15-minute time frame, um. We had a 15-minute gap. It was and also it was a 30-minute gap. So 15 plus 30 on here. So if you go back to the 1 minute time frame, I'll show you on the 2 minute better. It's less candles. As you see, this is my orange line. This is market open. So price came up, came down. Let me go on a 1 minute time frame so you can show every minute. So price came down, as you see, took the first sell side, and then went up to the 15-minute gap that we have drawing here. This is a 15-minute gap. Let me work it out as a 15-minute gap. So then you seen price went up as a 15-minute gap. I would have taken the short, but look how big the gap is. The gap is from here. Look how big the gap is. So I didn't take a short because the gap was so big. And if the candle closed over here, right over here, the candle closed right over here. So for that reason, it'll be a bad RR, and it's not good short. Plus your break even, well, is right here. So you entered here, your break even's here, and then immediately got stop loss should be given. That's on a 2 minute, on a 1 minute, 2 minute time frame. Look like this. Two-minute time frame, candle will close all the way here, so they'll just make the trade invalid. So I didn't take it. So I wanted to see price, if price can go up to the 50% of the range. I wanted to see 50% from this high to this low, and that was right. Let me delete this sell side because we already took it. We don't need it. So that gives us a 3-minute gap right here. So price went to the range, and you see here we have a 3-minute gap that price started to respect, and minus 3 minute. You see that small one over here that I have my thing on it, and as you see we respected it. Then if you look at this 2-minute time frame, we had an inversion right over here. This was the inversion. So I was like, okay, so we just reverse this gap. I think we went to 50%. We're respecting a 3-minute bearish gap. If this 2-minute closes, I'm gonna take this short. So what happened is this 2-minute closed. Where's my short? I entered right over here on the second candle closed. My stop loss was all over here. It was a big ass stop loss, and I was targeting 1 to 1. As you see, trade worked out beautifully. I got paid the 1 to 1, and then after this, price just kept going up. price is going up like this. So that was one thing that I wanted to. I took my 1-to-1, and I won. So, but this is the trade of the day. So price, after it kept going up, it kept going up. It came to this 30 minute. I think it was a 30-minute gap. Let me check for you guys. So this is on my phone. Yeah, it was a 30-minute gap. See, and we're also respecting a higher time frame, which is a 4-hour gap. Let me mark this as a 30-minute IVG. So 30-minute fair value gap. And if you go down to the 2-minute, it was 30-minute gap that took edges high, and we entered the other 30-minute gap. We had a 2-minute inversion right here. Price closed right here, and you can see this. You could have taken your 1-to-1, but if you would have held it, it would have came all the way down to this that I have is a 4-hour unmitigated gap, which I call a virgin gap. See, I call it as a virgin gap. So this was the trade of the day. If I waited, I would have cashed this Asia high sweep, 30-minute gap tap into 2-minute 2-minute inversion, and I would have entered and caught beautiful. Let me see 1-to-1 where that is. Is that here? No. Is that here? Yeah, that's here. 1-to-1. Beautiful trade. And yeah, that's the trade. That's the trade of the day, and plus a trade recap. So I hope you guys enjoyed it.